This video is about how you can make extra money, $2 a minute or even more. You will see proof in just a few minutes. You are about to discover a website that uses a click and submit strategy. No skills are needed, it is easy, it is free, anyone can do this, and it is available worldwide. You will get paid quickly through PayPal within 24 to 48 hours anytime your balance exceeds $8. If this is your first time visiting this channel, welcome, it is great to have you here. I am Peter filling in for George Pierce and I create videos about making money. If you are interested in making extra income, subscribe and ring the bell and I will let you know each time I upload a new video. If you want to know my #1 recommendation for making money from home, click the first link in the description below and I will send you the details. Back to our video. The site where you can earn this income is Rapid Workers. RapidWorkers.com, it is free to join. Rapid Workers is a crowdsource website that brings together both workers and employers. The site helps individuals and businesses to create marketing campaigns to improve sales and rank and backlinks. As a worker, you sign up, browse micro jobs, select jobs you like, finish the task, submit proof and get paid. Once you join, log in and you will arrive at available offers on your dashboard. A few examples of the kinds of micro jobs are filling out a survey, submitting your email, following someone on Twitter, filling out a form, writing a review, providing a like, and so on. You can sort by country, by most recent, by highest paying, by payment, and by time. Pick the tasks you like, perform those tasks, show proof, and get paid. It is that easy. As you can see, you can earn good money, no special skills are needed, and this works in almost every country. If you like this video, if you are finding value in this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much. If you have a question, or need help, let me know in the comments. If you have not yet subscribed, be sure to smash the subscribe button and ring the bell, so I can let you know whenever I publish a new video. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.